Hi guys, welcome back to Head Jake. Today we're making shinies, but for the second time this time. Let's go. It's a garbage truck outside my house. Here we are, Generation 2. I like this generation, and Jesus Christ, that is a lot of unknowns. Let's just do it. Let's start Pichu. Not good. Clef, fine. It's okay. Garbage, awful. It's horrible. I'll just rank one of the unknowns. I'll do H for Head Jake. Oh no, it's pretty good. It's A tier. He's pretty cool. Pretty cool guy. Let's Ladybug. Ladybug's fine. I don't. C tier. Yeah, they're not great. They're not the best. Sunkern also pretty not the best. Let's see. Fampy, just not good. Just not good. Donphan, what's he doing? He's a little bit different. Yeah, he's B tier. He's pretty good. Mareep is B tier. I'm okay with Mareep. Flaffy's D tier. It's the same. Ambipom is also B tier. Slowking is C tier. It's just not great. Natu is also bad. Xatu, they're both not good. Politoed, S tier. I love shiny Politoed. He looks pretty cool. Looks pretty good. Looks fine. I'm dead. Smoochum, D tier. Elekid, D tier. Magby, C tier. Tyrogue, A or S. Tyrogue is fine, he's A tier. Hitmon Top, also A tier. Apom, pretty good. Yeah, he can go in A tier as well. Yanma, yeah, that's A tier. Hoot is C tier. I'm not a fan. What else you got? Steelix is S tier. Where the hell is Chikorita? Where is she? Actually, what happened to Chikorita? I'll just edit in Chikorita over unknown C. Bayleaf is fine, it's B tier. Meganium C tier, not great. I really like these shinies. I'll put them in A tier. Typhlosion's kind of pink. I don't think that makes him any better or worse, so I'll just leave him there. Spinarak, I love Spinarak. Shiny. Ariados is fine, is B tier. Slugma. Slugma balls. S tier. Macargo, B tier. It's fine. Togepi, C tier. Togetic, D tier. Totodile is, the whole line is S tier. I mean, come on, it just looks good. This dude, Mr. Sudowoodo, he's A tier. I like him. He's cool. He's all right. Hoppip, he's pretty good. He's B tier. The whole line can be B tier. Giraffe rig, it's fine. B tier. B tier? Yeah, B tier. Let's do Blissey. Blissey's D tier. Get out of here. Disgusting. Porygon 2. I like him a lot. Actually, S tier. Yeah, S tier. S tier. Umbreon, easy S tier. Espeon, Espeon's good. He's A tier. Dunsparce, A tier. Gligar is also A tier. Chinchou, C tier. Lantern, B tier. What else? Let's do Crobat. Crobat, what do you Crobat? You're B tier. Blossom is B tier. Teddy Ursa, B tier. Ursaring, A tier. I like Ursaring. His shiny's pretty cool. Corsola, pretty good shiny. I'll put him in A tier. Let's see. Pineco, it's pretty good. B tier. Same with you, Fortress. Snubbull I like. He's B tier. Granbull is C tier. Wooper, I like him. He can go in B tier. Same thing with you, Mr. Quagmire. Right, guys? Like the Family Guy. Mantine, C tier. Actually, D tier. Nope. D tier. Bad. Wolfish, B tier. Murkrow I like Murkrow. He's A tier. Stantler, yeah, he's B tier. A lot of B tiers. A lot of mediocre shinies in this generation. Miss Rivas, yeah, I think Miss Rivas is S tier. I think she's pretty cool. Swinub, B tier. I mean, he's fine. B tier. Okay, let's see. What else is there? What other shinies are here? I can't see any. I'm blind. Meryl. B tier. Azumarill. B tier. Yeah, they're alright. Now, I've been avoiding for it because I might be what you call biased. I just love Furret. I think he's a very good boy. I love him a lot. He's just really good. But I have to be unbiased. I have to do it. I have to suck it up. I have to get over it, go through with it. Sentret, B tier. Furret, yeah, A tier. I genuinely think Furret has a pretty good shiny. Don't hurt me. Houndour. Yeah, they're good. They're good. Skarmory, I love shiny Skarmory. I don't care what you say. Miltank, I think Miltank's shiny is pretty good. A tier. Raikou. How do you say it? Mr. Funny Lion. B tier. Entei, B tier. Suicune, A tier. Heracross, A tier. Remoraid, is B tier. Octillery, I'm just not a big fan of shiny Octillery. Shuckle, yeah, he's A tier. Oh, he might be S tier. Kind of like Shuckle a lot. Wobbuffet is B tier. Just another pink shiny. Oh, I actually really like shiny Sneasel. Shiny Dellybird's alright. He's B tier. Scizor, he's S tier. I like him. I like him a lot. Shiny Larvitar is C tier. Pupitar is S tier. Tyranitar is A tier. He's fine. Kingdra is A tier. Smeargle is A tier. Lugia is A tier. Oh, is S tier. I mean, come on. Celebi's A tier. Okay, that's it. All the other unknowns, they're right here with Mr. H over here. This is supposed to be Chikorita. It's represented by Unknown C. I'm gonna edit it over in post. Other than that, that's basically it. Tell me down in the comment section how incorrect I am for my opinions. I think that's good. I think I was unbiased. I hope. Yeah. That's it. That's the end of the... That's the end. The end. Goodbye. Roll the head Jake out outro. Do 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 do.